What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Rutik Wase here. So people who are new to this channel, I upload content regarding to architecture tutorials and architecture student life. So without wasting any more time, let's get into today's video. How to develop an architectural concept in early years of your architecture school. Because in first 2 years, everything is new to us. The subject, the process, and most important, the whole conceptual idea. So what I did was, I came up with a 4-point rule, in which the first 3 are the mandatory rules, but the 4th one is where things change. So let's start with the first rule. So the first is case studies. Why to do case studies before any research? So the reason is, it doesn't restrict your scope of case studies available for the design topic. Because when you do your research, your analytical side of your brain will block all the information which is not regarding to your research, and it will narrow down your design possibilities. So the second point is research. Research is a vast topic to discuss in a short amount of time, but a general definition of research is gathering and analyzing data regarding your site and your users. So it can be anything. It can be topography of your site, it can be climatic conditions, it can be how much footfall is on your site, and also documents regarding to your building construction. Third point is thinking about past and future. So the idea behind this rule is to think about the existing structures on your site, and also thinking about different possibilities of your structure in future. The fourth and the final point is to do nothing regarding to your architectural concept. The reason behind this is, while working on your case studies and your research, the creative side of your brain has been dormant, and you need a break from all that analytical data you have collected. So in this time period, you can do anything which can activate your creative side of your brain. So you can watch movies, either you can draw some sketches, you can play music, or you can go hiking, and many more.